one. Here for the finals. Let's count them down. 3, 2, 1.
That was so loud.
3, 2, 1. Timata.
Unreal, Hadley.
Ready to make a big splash? Let's count them down. 3, 2, 1. Crazy. 1. Wow, that was like the floating Manu. Crazy.
Big full of people, big full of Manu, making all of them come on.
Let's count them down, Fano. 3, 2, 1. So good, man. The Whangarei champion ready to go. Let's count them down. 3, 2, 1.
Some nice hype here.
Let's count them down. 3, 2, 1.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoy this type of content, please subscribe and we'll see you in the next video.
Thank you, watchers.